Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a new hairstyle here. I cut my hair into curtain bangs and yeah. So in this video I'll be showing you how to get this look. This is my graduation look. I am graduating my junior high school but it's online, so it's like virtual graduation kind of thing, but I still want to look good. So here's the makeup look. Keep on watching to know how to get this look.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
So starting my makeup, I'm gonna start up with my priming spray. I'm taking the original priming water for oily to normal skin from Studio Tropik. It's a local Indonesian brand, and I'll leave it for 1 or 2 minutes to let it absorb to my skin before I continue to my foundation. So here I'm taking my foundation from L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear in the shade 220 Sand, and I'll just drop a few drops to my hand, the back of my hand, and I'll dot the drops to my face and blend it with my damp beauty blender. To make the beauty blender damp, I'm gonna take my priming water / setting spray from the same brand, the local Indonesian brand Studio Tropik, and I'll take the pink variant, the Flawless Priming Water. And here, as you can see, I'm adding a few more drops to the back of my hand to blend it to my face, just to build up more of the coverage, and so it can cover all my hyperpigmentation. Done with blending my foundation, now I'm taking my concealer from Maybelline Age Rewinder in the shade 140 Honey, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes and in the middle of my nose for a bit of highlights, in my chin, and a bit in my forehead. Done with my concealer. Next up, I'm using my liquid contour from Mizzu Eyeliner in the shade Hazel, and I'm going to contour my nose, forehead, and also the cheekbones. But just before I use my contour and my cheekbones, I'm gonna take my liquid blush from Focallure in the shade Bordeaux, and I'm going to use that much, yes, that much in my upper cheeks, because when I was doing my makeup, I still had like an hour or 2 before the graduation, and for my oily skin, this technique works, like putting a lot, and it will kind of disappear by the time, so I need to put a lot. And now I'm gonna bake my face, so I'm taking this loose powder from the Body Shop in this shade 03. I'm applying a bit with my beauty blender around the under eyes, in the middle of the nose for the highlight, and the sides of the nose, and also in my jawline. While that bakes, we're gonna take our eyeshadow palette from Focallure, and the name is Tokyo. I really love the packaging, it's so cute, that hologram thing. Also, the colors inside the palette is very great. So for the base color, we're gonna take a bright pink called Sashimi from this eyeshadow palette, and we're just gonna apply it in our outer eyelids with our eyeshadow brush. And now taking a bit more darker color called Fuji from the eyeshadow palette, we're gonna apply it in between the creases in the outer areas, just like the one I did in the video. And now I'm gonna take the color Bloom, which is not too bright or not too dark of a pink, and I'm gonna use it to blend the Sashimi and the Fuji color. And now I'll be taking the glitter color called Tempura from the eyeshadow palette and just use my finger to apply it in my eyelids. And again, I'll be taking the color Fuji for the lower lash line and applying it just like that. Then with the lower lash line, I'm gonna take a powder brush and just wipe off the excess powder from the baking with it. Lastly, and I'll be moving to my eyebrows and eyeliner now. Now taking my favorite eyebrow product, the Miniso 3-in-1 eyebrow pen, I'm gonna brush my eyebrows with this pulley brush and we'll draw it with the pencil. Usually for eyebrows, what I like to do is just fill out the blanks, like the skin part that isn't really covered with hair, and just like that. I don't really like to shape it or anything with a pencil because I kind of already like how my eyebrow is already shaped. And now I'm taking the Maybelline eyeliner pencil and just use it like inside the eye lines, like using a kajal or something like that, just like that, because I like how it looks. And then now we're gonna take a liquid eyeliner pen from Mizzu and I'll just draw a straight line just like that. But because I kind of don't like how the line looks, I'm gonna take my Maybelline concealer and a angled brush to make it in shape. As you can see, I kind of messed up a bit too much on this eye, so I'm gonna fix it with the concealer and the eyeliner again and again until I get the shape that I like. After fixing my eyeliner, I'm taking the eyeshadow palette again to fix the eyeshadow because I used a bit too much concealer for the mess that I just made in one part of my eye. So I have to fix the eyeshadow color too. And now I'm gonna take my MAC single eyeshadow in the color CORK Satin, and I'm gonna use it as a contour powder slash bronzer for my nose. And now I'm gonna take my Body Shop Eyeshadow Palette, and I'll take the Champagne Shimmery Glittery color to use it as my nose highlighter. And now moving on to our lipstick, I'm going to take a lipstick from Reka Cosmetics in the shade Head Over Heels, which I really like the color. Almost the last step, we're gonna use our mascara. I'm taking my mascara from L'Oreal Lash Paradise and just apply it like that to my eyelashes. And now finally finishing our makeup, I'm going to use the setting spray from Studio Tropik in the variant Flawless Priming Water, the pink one. So thank you guys for watching till the end. I hope you liked my graduation makeup look, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you liked it, comment down below what kind of video should I do next, what kind of makeup look, what song should I cover next. See you in my next video.